Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change screen color mode in Samsung Galaxy A55. So where to look for our screen modes? We need to go to settings first, then we are looking for our display options menu, and here we have our screen mode. By default, our vivid option is enabled. We can of course use our natural one, and we can customize vivid mode if we need to. Natural mode we cannot customize. If we want to change white balance, etc., we need to use our vivid mode. So let's set up natural, for example, just to change it, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a good day and see you in the next video. Bye.